What are the top three Sedona buyer mistakes? Hi, I'm Chad McMahon. I've lived in Sedona for over 30 years. I've been a Sedona specific realtor for almost 20 years, and I specialize in luxury real estate as well as cash flow investments like short-term rentals. So the first of the most common Sedona buyer mistakes is waiting for the market to crash before you purchase, before you start making offers. And just to give you an idea, last year in 2021, we had approximately 30% appreciation for people that were part of the market. They got a 30% benefit. In the market crash around 2008, Sedona was impacted by about 40%. So right now, things are so hot, it takes just over a year to gain that value. And I've been told by various buyers over the last 10 years that they're just waiting for the market to crash before they're going to purchase. And they've been missing out on this for 10 years. They would have probably tripled the value of their home over the last 10 years. In the last 3 years, most of my clients have doubled their home value. And for short-term rental investors, there's also the cash flow element. So along with the appreciation, you're getting the cash flow throughout. The second most common buyer mistake is trying to buy the least expensive single-family home on the market and feeling like that's the best deal, or that's allowing you to save money, that kind of thing. So when you purchase the least expensive property in the market, it's actually costing most people quite a bit more than they think it is. And so the least expensive homes, they have the most buyer competition. So purchase price is going to be higher than you want it to be when everything is said and done, quite a bit higher than asking. Also for cash flow investors, the sweet spot for price point versus return on investment is actually closer to about 900,000 to about 1.5 million. This is where we're finding the best cash flow return on investment opportunities right now. The lower cost properties, they're not giving the returns that you would hope for. Now, the third thing that's the third most common Sedona buyer mistake is only offering on the homes with the best views. So if you want this as a primary residence, then sure, be picky, fall in love with it. But for investors that are looking for something to add to their portfolio, then choose what's going to yield the best return on investment, not just what has the best views, because they don't necessarily go hand in hand. Ideally, views are great. And yes, they will boost your cash flow, but there are a lot of really, really great cash flow investment opportunities out there that have no view whatsoever. So just understand there are other features in Sedona that are desirable to tenants. And so, ask your realtor, reach out to us, ask us, and I'll be happy to go over a list with you of what's important when you're looking for short-term rentals, just as an example. So for anything further, schedule an appointment or call me directly, and I'll be happy to help you. Look forward to meeting you. Take care.